Okay, y'all, welcome back. So we have a quick unboxing for our Sunday reset, so let's get into it. We got the BW100 electronic spray, a curtain rod, and then just a shower liner for the bathroom. So for Dollar General, first we got the True Living Sweeper Mop. And then I got these for James. They're so nasty, but he loves them. And then the Swiffer Mop pads to clean. So this is the Clorox Disinfecting Wet Mopping Cloth. Laundry dryer sheet. Then I got the LA's Totally Awesome Spray. The Dawn refill. Babe, can you get LaFont? If you don't know who LaFont is, that is our cheap version of the iRobot vacuum, but she keeps getting stuck in James's cords in his office, so I need to figure out a way to block that room off so she don't go in there. Then I got us Gain fabric softener, and then last but not least, laundry detergent. This is our short little haul. We have a couple more packages coming in from Amazon, and then James got this little gift thingamajig, but yeah, let's get into our Sunday reset. Okay, so we also got another package to unpack. Oh, I got the Christmas LED light string lights for the stand-up makeup, some highlighters, because my best friend wants me to write her letters, pen pals, so we're gonna do that. I also got the high-spec screwdriver kit, so let's see. Oh, how cute! I got it in pink. You guys, so I was literally on FaceTime with my best friend right now, and then we got a DoorDash order. Look at what she freaking got us. All because we were just talking about the foods we wanted to eat or were craving. She got us carne asada tacos, chili relleno, another chili relleno, queso fresco, or what is this? Queso fondito, spicy shrimp cocktail, cheese, red snapper and spicy sauce, another spicy shrimp, 4 bags of chips, calamari, rice, the jalapeno peppers, and the yellow chili peppers that I love to eat. And then, oh no, that's a whole fish. I thought this was tacos. I'm just kidding. It's a whole fish for James. Stuffed chocolate churros, a tres leches cake slice for both James and I, and then flan. I literally love my best friend, but she's insane. Get you a best friend who supports your big backness. Thank you, baby. Okay. Love you.
I wanna go without you, just so I can know what it's like to be there without having to argue. Swear I didn't have the discipline to leave your ass at home, you make it hard to. This life will take a lot of listening to one another, shouldn't have involved you. I know, not to, not to. Leave you at home if I wanna have a good night. Leave you at home if I wanna have a good time. Peace of mind. Good time, 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 peace of mind. I swear that there's a list of places that I've been with you. I wanna go without you, just so I can know what it's like to be there without having to argue. Swear I didn't have the discipline to leave your ass at home, you make it hard to. This life will take a lot of listening to one another, shouldn't have involved you. I know, not to, not. Leave you at home if I wanna have a good night.
This package wasn't supposed to come until next week, but I'm so happy it came today. It literally just ties up our productive day vlog and our Sunday reset, whatever you want to call it. I've been waiting for this to come into the mail, and I've been shopping for a while for it. So, excuse me, my nuts. I've been shopping for one for a while, and Target had one that I really liked, but it was like $300, and I got this on Amazon for $120, I think. What I love about it is it already comes assembled. All I have to do is literally just put the legs on and it's done. My love. Excuse me. Okay, so this is the Storage Teddy Ottoman Bench from DM Furniture, and I love it. It's 44.5 inches wide, so I think it goes perfect in our room, like under our window, just so the boys can sit or, you know, walk on. And it also comes with storage. And I love it because it's so deep, so I can definitely put like extra blankets, extra pillows, the boys' toys in here, and I just love it. The fabric feels really great. It's soft. It feels like Sherpa. So I don't know if you know what that is, but it's like it legit feels like teddy bear fabric. Again, this is from DM Furniture. If you like it, it'll be in my Amazon storefront below, so go check it out. And yeah, so I'm gonna go set this up in the room, and I will be back. Are you okay, my nose? All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like in the room. It matches the curtains perfectly, but it also matches like all the other decor in the room. Don't mind it, we're still working on decorating this, but so far, so good. I love it so much, the boys love it, and it just gives it that texture in the room that it needs because it's very like plain. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna end the vlog here, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys are always the best. So until next time, I'll see you later, girl. Bye.